Earth didn't collapse in fire, it collapsed in weight. The air grew heavier first, not thicker, just harder to breathe, as if the planet itself had begun to exhale and never inhaled again. Cities kept moving, markets stayed open, screens stayed bright. But the sky stopped behaving the way it used to. Storms no longer arrived by season. They came early, they stayed longer, they hovered. At first, people called it instability, then volatility, then coincidence. No one wanted to say judgment, no one wanted to say response, because response implies relationship, and relationship implies responsibility. Landfills rose higher than city skylines. Oceans turned darker than the night sky above them. Every solution produced a new byproduct. Every fix postponed a reckoning. Waste didn't disappear. It waited. The storms noticed. Tornadoes began tracing the same paths again and again. Corridors no satellite could explain. Routes no forecast could predict. They avoided some cities. They returned relentlessly to others. Engineers tried to redirect them. They failed. Governments tried to classify them. They argued. Religious leaders tried to interpret them. They disagreed. And the storms continued, indifferent to language, unmoved by debate. Then came the first corridor event. A region long choked by industrial runoff found itself emptied, not destroyed. Structures remained. People survived. But the waste was gone. Plastics, toxins, debris accumulated over generations, lifted, not scattered, not weaponized, removed. Particles rose into the upper atmosphere, where radiation, pressure, and time broke them down into something unrecognizable. Matter redistributed. Damage interrupted. The land beneath did not heal instantly, but it rested. Scientists called it unprecedented. Politicians called it dangerous. The people who lived there called it mercy. But mercy is unsettling when it cannot be controlled. And so the lesson was delayed. Other regions watched. They measured outcomes. They hesitated. Conversion required dismantling systems, rewriting economies, admitting that alignment mattered more than output. It was easier to wait. The storms were patient. Across the planet, the air worsened. Storm corridors expanded.